This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joan Rogers and Marianne Windridge. Wonderful CBS 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with 2-car garage and fully fenced yard. Features include a split floor plan with a spacious eat-in kitchen, lots of kitchen cabinets, tile throughout the home, a large screened back porch, and multiple storage sheds. The roof was put on in 2022. There is a new water heater and a 3-year-old HVAC system. Other features include FPL surge protection, all LED lighting, and speakers in the living room, patio, and garage. There is also an extra fridge in the garage. Furniture can be included or the seller will remove it if the buyer does not need it. The seller requires a 30-day post-occupancy. The property is not in a flood zone. For more information, review the details below or contact Joan Rogers and Marianne Windridge at 772-692-8834.